Welcome to our second lesson of Tips, Tricks, and Traps of Disaster Recovery Planning, a series designed for information technology leaders who want real-world information they can apply within their organizations. In this episode, we'll explain why disaster recovery efforts fail, not because of technology, but because of two undeniable truths that haven't changed in 30 years. This is a cautionary tale for information technology directors and business leaders alike. The only difference is that business leaders are actually running the business. Today we'll cover the first one, executive sponsorship. We once worked with an information technology team that had just finished designing a new disaster recovery environment. It had redundant storage, real-time replication for all their applications, automated backups, the works. But what do you think happened when they presented it to leadership? You guessed it, the budget was denied. And the CIO asked a single question: how does this help us recover our revenue-generating operations? Silence. The reason? Because no one had involved the business in defining what mattered. Here's what happens. Technical teams design for technical resilience and for what they think matters. The business is worried about employee access, customer access, regulatory penalties, and revenue-generating processes. They're speaking different languages, and that misalignment leads to rejected budgets, frustrated information technology leaders, skeptical executives, and ultimately an unfunded disaster recovery plan that looks great on paper and goes nowhere. Now imagine starting from the top. You ask the business, what's the cost of being down for an hour? What systems generate the most revenue? What data can't we afford to lose, legally or operationally? Then you design your recovery plan around those answers. Now you're solving their problem, the business problem, not just your technical challenge. The truth is, the information technology department doesn't run the business. Information technology supports the business. When you embrace that, you'll stop fighting for funding and start earning it. Because when your disaster recovery plan is aligned to business goals, leadership doesn't just approve it, they champion it. If you found this informative, hit the bell to be notified of our next episode, where we discuss the second undeniable truth of why disaster recovery efforts fail. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.